Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix if apps crashing on Moto G37. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on system and click on system update, and you will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system and click on reset option. If you want to fix this problem, so click on reset all settings, click on this icon, enter phone pin, click on this icon, you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so restart device. Just click and hold side power button and volume up button at the time. You will see click on restart. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin, you will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, open app, go back and close. Open, back, close. Open, back, close. So after the process, you will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, so update apps. So you will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.